All right, we're out. Thank you so much for pushing me out. This lake is crystal clear. And how far are you letting it drop?
Might not drop pretty far. If I had to say, I guess probably something around 20-ish feet.
Okay. I haven't introduced you yet. This is my brother-in-law, Thane. And he's the master fisherman here. Is that like a call of some? Oh, something's hitting mine. Oh, got some. Heck yeah, dude. Oh, it's decent. It's decent. It's a decent little trout. Heck yeah, man. Happy little guy. Oh my gosh. Oh, he just. Yeah. Yo. There we go. Nice little trout. Let's go. Set him free here. Oh shoot. There he goes. You got some? Yep. Nice. I don't know why I said it like that, but nice, dude.
An absolute idiot.
Dude, we're slaying these things. What is that, like 2 in like a minute? You got some?
Yep.
Nice, dude.
You're right, buddy.
Dude, nice trout, man.
That's a good one.
That's like a, what, like a pounder, you think? Whoa.
Oh.
Dude, stinking bald eagle.
He's going for it. Ready? He's gonna get it.
Dude, he just stole your dead fish. Dude, I love Washington for trout like this. What? You good? Dude, you freaked out.
Well, I thought he was gonna. It felt like it was about to pull my pole out of my boat.
Dude, you singing jumped. Nice. You got it?
Yep.
Is it decent?
Might be. Might be a little bit of a smaller one. Oh, just shaking. Oh, you suck. I hate you.
Dude, it's a perch.
I hate you guys. Stop.
Lively little guy, huh?
Yoink.
There you go. Heck yeah.
That's a trout.
A good trout, or it's a big sucker fish.
Oh my god.
Oh my good. Oh, yo, something just about took. I'm on. We're doubled up here. Oh my gosh. Good little trout. Oh my gosh. He is a little floppy little guy. Dude, sick.
Toss him. Son?
Nah, let her down. Oh.
Oh, hit.
Oh, hit. Nice, good stuff. Good stuff. Dude, you got one?
Yep.
Nice. Dude, it's almost non-stop action out here.
This better not be.
That's probably a little pike. It's fighting like, it's not like.
Whoa.
What is that?
Trout.
It's a trout? Really? I'm on the bottom right now, I think. Okay. I got something. I got some decent. Oh my gosh. Thane, this is huge. Like, really decent. Oh my. I'm having trouble actually keeping this up. This could be a, like, bass. Oh my gosh. Dude, this thing's probably like a 2-pound trout. Easy. Probably 1.5 easy. All right, got our bait back on. Saucer back out there. Hoping for a big one, guys. Got him.
I wonder if that's him.
I don't know. He doesn't seem too big, but he seems decent.
Good little guy.
Oh, good little guy. Just just a chill guy. Hey there. Dude, right as I started recording. Good timing. Watch us get doubled up here right as I start recording. You got something good there?
Yeah.
He's decent. Have you ever eaten catfish?
He's a big boy.
So far you are in fact winning. You're getting bite right now. Got something. Dude! Alright. Dude, he's splashing me. He might be hawk food. He's
Alright, buddy. You're gonna be hawk food. Look.
Oh, that was sick.
That was the hawk. Look, the eagle's pissed.
Oh, the eagles.
What? Turn around. Look, he got him. He scared it out of the hawk's hand. Yeah, eagle's gonna grab it. Uh-oh.
Oh, he went back.
Hawk's got it.
Oh. He's trying intimidation. Go hawk, run.
That's the hawk's first grab of the day.
All right, let's send him down there. Just see what the heck eats it. That could be a catfish right there. Quite possibly. With that big a bait, catfish would definitely take a bite out of that. Oh, got one on an open bell. Dude. I had an open bell. Oh my gosh, he broke off. Piece of junk. What a loser. He broke my dang hook. I don't know what that was. He tore my line though. That might have been one of them pike. Or not pike, but actually, why do I keep calling it that? Something that has teeth, I think. Oh dang. There goes your fish, dude. Got some. I think I got whatever I had before. I think it's decent. Stinging pike minnow. It's right in the lip too. Or not stinging pike minnow. What am I doing? It's a stinging perch. Little perch. There it goes. Nice little. That's a decent little perch. Probably about a pounder. And he's gone. You're not making it. You're probably not even making it to the bottom, honestly. Is that what you were doing? Oh. Oh yeah. Got something. Oh yeah. Alright. Dude, I got a fish on, but I can't reel. I can feel it in my stinging hand. Reeling a dang fish, dude. Here we go. Oh my gosh. He's really fighting. Tied my dang drag. Oh my gosh. Oh, he spit out the dang hook.
Anything, so we're back, but we were just like 5 feet from the bottom-ish, and